Hello friends, today we will discuss about the floral Gothic writing. Definitely we will talk uh, on a few alphabets to clear our doubts. I expect whatever you have learned early, they are helpful to you to go for that writing. If you face anywhere any sorts of doubts, if you have, let me know. Please comment in the box and I'll try my best to assist you. Hello, this is Rasraj and you are watching Rasraj Arts and Calligraphy. So let's learn something new today. सबसे पहले हम एक लाइन खींचेंगे, स्केल का हेल्प लेंगे, एक सीधी लाइन खींचेंगे हम लिखेंगे F, स्मॉल कैप F। और इसे लिखने के लिए जो भी तरीके हैं आइए चलते हैं। सबसे पहले एक सीधी लाइन खींचेंगे, ओके। उसके बाद हमारे जो पैरेलल पेन है इसके ज़रिए हम एट लाइंस खींचेंगे। देखिए कैसे, जैसे फ्लैट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड 8। इसके बाद हम उसका एक एक लाइन खींचेंगे। ये पैरेलल पेन में स्ट्रोक दिया गया, उसके बाद ये जो लाइन है स्केल के जरिए एक सीधी लाइन हम खींचेंगे। चलिए ये हो गया रेडी। अब हम लिखेंगे, ध्यान देंगे स्टेप वाइज। स्टेप नंबर 1 में क्या है, 2 में क्या है, हर चीज़ को हम ध्यान देंगे। Okay, check 2, check 3, 2 and 3, check 4. Check 1, check 2, check 3, check 4. Now, you check the columns, pages. Okay, this is about F. Let us go once without lines. This is our first time. We're going to do this one without lines. Now, no lines here. Perfect. Like the visual. Take 1, check 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen. You can write also. Here, number 4 straight. Number. This was straight. F. You can also work. Right down. Really. You can you can. Another way, you can press it. You can add an AO. As this part has straight. You can get it. Now we go. Close. Video. This is okay. Okay. This is okay. So, perfect. And these are the new lines. One line given. Now, please mark 6 strokes with parallel pen. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now go for the line. First one, step number 1 from the second line. To second, third, fourth to fifth. Step number 2, fifth, 2. Step number 3, three. Step number 4, 2, 3 and 4. Step number 5, 4, 5. Now the beautification. Two, 3, 4, 5. This is all about G. We can write another way. Let us go without all these steps. G without any lines. You can flourish. This is one, G. You can go for another style. G. Very simple. So practice and create your own design. So good luck. Now we shall go for H, and for that let us go for one line. Now with the pen go for 8 strokes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, from the top to the second last. 3, 4. And the last one, the beautification one is friends, hope you like the video. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe it. And let me know if you are facing any kind of problem to write all these alphabets. Please comment in the box so that I'll try my best to guide you. So friends, without doing late, start practicing. Catch you shortly with some new tips. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye. Take care.